My name is Elizabeth, one of your sales associates at Lexus of Orange Park. Under the spotlight this week is our 2021 RC 350 F Sport in ultra white, lighting up the street with the triple beam LED headlights, Lexus Performance F Sport spindle grille, equipped with the powerful 3.5 liter V6 with 311 horsepower, dressed up white with black streamline trim interior, cruising on 19-inch split 5-spoke alloy wheels, with plenty of trunk space with the rear seat folding capability. Come visit us at Lexus of Orange Park to get a closer look or call to schedule a test drive at 904-777-5100. Like this video and subscribe to see more Lexus content and next week's showroom spotlight.